Okay guys, we are live. This is for the 8th day of Christmas. Time is 6:55 a.m. Eastern. Going to the list. 57 guys on the list this time. And, oops, there it is. Here we go. In the clubhouse, we go 3 times. 6:56 a.m. Eastern, first random. And 6:56 a.m. Eastern, second random. 6:56 a.m. Eastern, we've gone 2 times. Third and final random, guys. Good luck. Donald Olson wins the 8th day. We've gone 3 times. Donald Olson. 6:56 a.m. Eastern. Let's update my spreadsheet here. Donald Olson. We are done. Time 6:57 a.m. Eastern. Donald, I think I have your information. I'm going to double check with you before I ship it out. Anyways, thanks guys.